से घटा सावन की कुदरत में चारों ओर।
मन में तू मेरे तन में तू बस तेरा ही तेरा ध्यान प्रभु
मेरे मन में तू
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है, तुम भी कहो। हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा। आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा।
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो, हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल पर जानी। जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल पर जानी। जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। अपनी छतरी तुमको दे दे कभी जुबर से पानी, कभी नए पैकेट में बेचे तुमको चीज पुरानी। फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। थोड़े अनाड़ी है थोड़े खिलाड़ी, रुक रुक के चलती है अपनी गाड़ी। थोड़े अनाड़ी है थोड़े खिलाड़ी, रुक रुक के चलती है अपनी गाड़ी। हमें प्यार चाहिए और कुछ पैसे भी, हम ऐसे भी हैं, हम हैं वैसे भी। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल पर जानी। उल्टी सीधी जैसी भी है अपनी यही कहानी। थोड़ी हम में होशियारी है, थोड़ी है नादानी, थोड़ी हम में सच्चाई है, थोड़ी बेईमानी।
my dear friends. My name is Veena Sunas and I feel very proud to stand before you today. Do you know why today is so special? Because today, 26 January, our great country India celebrates its 77th Republic Day. India is not just a country on the map. India is our home, our family and our pride. On 26 January 1950, India received a very important book called the Constitution of India. It was written by great leaders and led by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. It took them 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete it. The Constitution teaches us what is right and what is wrong and tells us that everyone is equal. Because of this, we can go to school, we can speak freely and we can dream big. Our soldiers protect us day and night and our farmers work hard for us to give us food and our teachers guide us and build our future. India has many languages, many cultures and many festivals. But we are all one nation with one heart. Today, on the 77th Republic Day, let us promise to love our country, follow the rules and be a good and responsible citizen. Because the future of India lies in the heart of its children like us. Thank you, Jai Hind.
जश्न तेरे क्रिसमस दिवाली में ईदी पोंगल बैसाखी में
तू है रंगों का मिलन, तू रोशनी का जश्न, तू रोशनी का जश्न।
मैं कथक भंगड़ा गरबा
तू डांसों का मुरब्बा,
जुबानी मैं कवाली
गीतों की पिटारी।
मैं सॉन्ग इंडियन तू मस्त ट्यून इंडिया माया 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 इंडिया माया 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 इंडिया
मैं हूँ बदला, तू है दरिया और इंडिया। I am India। तुझ में मैं हूँ, मुझ में तू है और इंडिया। यह मूक अभिनय हमें यह संदेश देगा कि हमारे राष्ट्र की शक्ति एकता, अनुशासन और लोकतंत्र के प्रति सम्मान में निहित है। तो आइए जरा गौर से देखते हैं इस अनोखी प्रस्तुति को।
Long, long ago, our country was under the British rule. People lived in fear. Their voices were silenced and their freedom was taken away. Ordinary people dreamt of a free India, waiting for a spark that would change their fate. Every sunrise brought a new fear. Even simple everyday tasks became a struggle under the British regime. The villagers were heavily taxed for the basic requirements of life. On the midnight of 14 August 1947, the dark clouds of British rule began to fade. As the clock struck 12, India breathed freely for the first time in centuries. A nation couldn't run on emotions alone. It needed directions, a structure, a foundation that kept every citizen safe. And so a rule book was made. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar took the responsibility of drafting the Indian Constitution. He wrote laws to ensure justice, equality, and rights for all. The Constitution became the heartbeat of the nation, a promise that India would never return to injustice or oppression. And so on 26 January 1915, India took another proud step forward. India became republic, a nation governed by its own constitution. This was of a republic. Promise of justice, equality and freedom for every citizen of India.
आजा जिंद शामी आने के पहले आजा सरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के पहले आजा सरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले सच्ची मैंने जान हमारी है नच्चे नच्चे कोयलों पे रात बिताई है अखियों की नींद मैंने मुझको से उड़ा दी गिरने गिरने वाले मैंने उंगली बनाई है
तेरा राजा जिंदे शानी आने के पहले आजा सरी वाले नीले आसमान के तले शपथ कमी दे हाले दे
We all love our rights, but every right comes with a responsibility. Today, we present a short skit, The Citizens Wake Up Call. Let us begin.
Wake up call, do your duties one and all. Do your duties one and all.
Characters: Meera, a careless and complaining citizen. Tejaswini, a responsible citizen.
Our country is struggling in so many areas. The roads are so dirty and nobody cares, and my rights are always ignored. The problem is not only in the country, Meera. It starts with us. We talk so much on our rights that we forget our duties. Duties? What duties? I pay my taxes, that's enough. No, Meera, that is not enough. There are many more duties, our fundamental duties as citizens. Let me tell you some of them. Respect the Constitution and follow the rules of our country. Protect and improve our environment, don't damage it. Keep the public places clean and don't litter it. Stand against wrong, even if others are doing it. Really? I never thought of that.
Wake up all, wake up all. Rise up only after duties all. Rise up only after duties all.
Citizens like Tejaswini are the true strength of India. Let us now move to the scenes. Scene 1. Respecting national symbols. At public park, people are sitting on a bench and some children are playing. Suddenly, the national anthem starts playing from a loudspeaker. Everyone stands up except one man who continues talking on his phone.
Hello. Yes, I'm telling you. Listen, this country. Excuse me, the national anthem is going on. Please stand up. So what? I'm on an important call. It's just a song. Meera, do you think this is correct? No, we should stand even if we are busy. Yes, we have rights, but we also have to follow our duties. We must respect our national symbols, the flag, the emblem, the anthem. Stopping someone from doing wrong is also our duty. Come, let's help him understand.
They gently guide the man and help him stand.
You are right. I should respect my nation. Sorry.
Wake up all, wake up all. Respect your country one and all. Respect your country one and all.
Scene 2. Protecting the environment. A lakeside. There is a dustbin nearby. A woman is eating snacks and throws the wrappers on the ground. She picks up a plastic bottle to throw into the lake.
Hey, what are you doing? The dustbin is right there. What's a big deal? One bottle won't kill the planet. Oh no, littering pollutes the water and harms everyone. Yes, it is our duty to protect and improve our natural environment. A healthy environment sustains life for all. Let's stop her from doing wrong and help her understand her duty.
Tejaswini and Meera stop her gently and teach her.
I never thought of that. I will not do it again.
Wake up all, wake up all.
Scene 3. Safeguarding public property. A bus stop. A boy is spraying paint on a clean public wall.
What are you doing? Why are you destroying the beauty of this place? I want people to know I was here. Everyone does it. I have the freedom to do whatever I want.
How sad. This is public property. It belongs to all of us. And in the name of freedom, you are damaging it. It costs taxpayers and lots of money to clean this up.
Yes, freedom comes with responsibilities. It is our duty to safeguard public property. Let's stop him from doing wrong and help him become a good citizen.
Tejaswini and Meera stop him and explain.
Wake up call, protect public property one and all, protect public property one and all.
Scene 4. Duty to educate. A tea stall. A parent is stopping his young child from going to school.
No school today. You must help me in the shop. We need the money.
Why are you not sending him to school?
School is a waste of time. He can earn some money instead.
What he is doing is wrong. Education is essential for our children. If children are educated, our nation will progress.
Yes, every child has a right to free education up to the age of 14. But it is also the duty of every parent to send their child to school. Let's stop him from doing wrong and help him become a good citizen.
Tejaswini and Meera gently explain to the parent.
I did not know that. I will send my child to school from today.
Thank you.
Wake up call, educate every child one and all, educate every child one and all.
Scene 5. Promoting harmony and dignity of women. A man standing near a street corner making funny remarks about a woman passing by.
Ha ha ha! Look at her! How funny she looks!
Hey, stop! What are you doing? That is wrong.
Mind your own business. I'm just having fun.
So bad that person is bothering the woman. Everyone has the right to feel safe.
Yes, it is our duty to respect everyone in public places. No teasing, no bullying, no disrespect. When we tolerate such behavior, we create a hostile environment. Let's stop him from doing wrong and help him become a good citizen.
Meera and Tejaswini stop him gently and guide him.
Now I understand. I will respect everyone from now. Thank you.
Wake up call, respect every person one and all, respect every person one and all.
We all have understood that fundamental duties help us to become good citizens. These are not just duties, they are the foundation for our future.
Exactly, Meera. Rights and duties go hand in hand. We can't have one without the other. Understanding duties is something we should celebrate. Let's light up the stage and celebrate our duties with a dance.
There are 11 fundamental duties in our Indian Constitution. Part 4 from Article 51A. Let's know our first duty.
First duty first, I'ma say on the fundamental duties. Oh, the fundamental duties. Oh, abide by the Constitution, respect national flag and national anthem. Respect national flag and anthem. Second duty, second, I'ma say on the duties. Oh, the fundamental duties. Oh, follow ideas of the freedom struggles. Oh, follow ideas of the freedom struggles. Third is protecting sovereignty and integrity of India. Oh, the integrity of India. Oh, defend the country and render national services of India. Oh, national services of India. Oh,
There are few more fundamental duties in our Constitution.
is the spirit of my brotherhood of India. The India, the brotherhood of India, the brotherhood of India. Sixth is the preserving composite culture of India. The India, the culture of India, the culture of India. Seventh is preserving natural environment of India. The India, the environment of India, the environment of India. Develop scientific temper of India, safeguarding public property of India. Develop scientific temper of India, safeguarding public property of India. Strive for excellence, people of India. Strive for excellence, people of India.
The last fundamental duty. Duty for all parents, guardians to send their children at the age group of 6 to 14 years to school. These are the fundamental duties.
Nearly 20 years that I've passed out from here, way back in 2005, and I was just a little tiny tot sitting right on the grounds you sat in this temple of education. Sister Flory requested me to speak a few words. I thought I'll prepare a big speech, this and that. But looking at the performance today, I thought I'll go a bit extempore and speak something from my heart. What a performance, children. It was amazing right from the start. The march past, I didn't expect little children to, do the march past so well. They were looking like little tiny soldiers, literally. The hours and weeks of effort they might have put into it to look really like some wonderful soldiers, little tiny tots passing by. I was really awestruck by your discipline. Then coming to the speech rendered by some boy, it was amazing. He spoke so eloquently and confidently. All the performances that the children performed, the dance, the skit, the values they were talking about covers more than what even I had prepared myself. The knowledge that they were giving was way more than expected than what even I was thinking to speak here. So a very big congratulations to all the children. Let's have a round of applause for all the tiny tots who have made this event a huge success. I would also like to extend my appreciation to all the teachers who have put in the effort to teach these children right from the beginning. A big round of applause to all the teachers.